Ma'am, who are you? Can you tell me that now, or? No, you didn't.
I did.
I have no idea who you
I'm
are.
a staff member here, federal government employee.
Federal government employee, and your name. So that means you're public service. You're a public servant.
You were recording me without my permission.
So that means that you're a
state of Pennsylvania. That's against the law.
So you should. So if you feel that that's against the law, you should call law enforcement, ma'am.
Your video.
Ma'am, if you feel that's against the law, you should call law enforcement, and maybe they can educate you. Hey, how are you guys?
Are you recording?
Who are you, sir?
I am the assistant director of the station. My name is Pedro. How are you?
Hi, Pedro. My name is Sean.
Sean?
Yes. I am recording to answer your question.
Don't mind you recording.
Okay.
Especially me.
Yeah.
And the premises. But the employees, we need to have their permission to be recorded.
Why would that be, Pedro?
Because we have an agreement with our union, our labor union, and our employees, before they can be recorded or photographed, they have to agree, and they have to provide permission.
Do they agree when you record them on the security cameras?
Yes, that is part of.
Do they sign an agreement?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So I just whatever agreement you may have with them, I respect it. That's the agreement you have with them. Sure. I didn't enter into any agreement. I'm exercising my rights here. My intention is really not to film anybody in particular anyway, so it's kind of a moot point. Sure. I'm not really trying to, but I don't want to, if I happen to get somebody while I'm panning around and, just gathering, it's not my fault, and it's my right to film government employees in the course of their duty.
That's what I'm hoping that we could agree, because
you
are at the main entrance. And again, I don't mind you recording, especially me. I don't mind at all.
Yeah.
But my employees are coming in and out. This is the main entrance.
Yeah.
And if you are, recording around, you might capture some of the employees.
Exactly. Yeah. So, and that's what I'm saying. But that's my right, is to film they're government employees, right? They're not private employees. They're government. I have a right to film government employees in the course of their duty. Excuse me, sir.
Could you come to this side, please?
Oh, sure. I'm just in the lobby still. That's all.
Please don't go beyond that hallway.
Oh, I already went over there.
You already did?
Yeah, I already did. It's a public area.
No, it's not.
It says public contact.
Yes, but that public contact doesn't mean public area. So
But it is a public area, though.
It's not a public area.
It's 100% a public area.
Sir, would you mind stepping into this?
I mean, I have no problem taking a couple steps. Yeah, sure, that's not a problem.
Appreciate that.
Yeah, it's definitely a public area. Which it's for anybody that came in to check up on the government. Just because I'm not a veteran doesn't mean that I don't.
No, that's okay.
No,
it's not a public area. Period.
It is. I went there many times and no one said anything to me.
I'm telling you, it's not.
Okay, we'll wait for FPS and we'll see what they say. It's funny, Pedro, right? Pedro, you have signs over there that mark certain areas restricted, non-public areas.
If you need to spell my name or anything like that.
Yeah, sure. This is you right here?
Yes, that's me.
So there's big red signs back there, Pedro. I don't know if you've seen them. There's big red signs that say restricted area, employees only, VA employees only. Mm-hmm. That would be a restricted area. There's nothing that restricts this area. But I'll wait for FPS.
What was your name?
My name's Sean.
So Sean, your interpretation of our signage,
yeah,
that doesn't mean that your interpretation
or lack thereof,
is correct.
or lack thereof of
Absolutely.
signage.
Or
Yeah.
lack thereof.
Okay, so that's why we'll wait for law enforcement.
As the government official and the second in command in this building, I'm telling you that area is not open for you to record and for you to access.
Okay.
Given that you're not a customer, you're not a veteran. If you're a customer, you tell me what you need, and I'll make sure that we get you the help that you need. But if you're not
respectfully, Pedro, my tax dollars go to fund this building, correct?
Absolutely. Absolutely.
So I have a right to check up on my government, and that's what I'll bring up to FPS and maybe even your boss.
Sure.
No okay.
Problem.
Yeah.
I'll be right back.
Yeah, sure. What are you doing today, sir?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing well. Can I get your name and badge number, please?
You can have my badge number.
Your name?
That's all I'm required to give you by law.
Okay,
I'm not
that's fine.
required to give you my name, and you're
It's
not.
not about. It's not. It's not about being required.
34502. That's my identity. So let me ask you, what is your business here?
Do I have to answer that question by law?
Yes, you do.
By law?
You're in a federal facility.
So that doesn't mean that I have to answer your questions because I answered a federal facility.
Yes, you do. Yes, you do.
Because you want to be technical by the law. Let's
Here's
be
the law
technical
right
by
here
the
that
law.
says that you have to.
Yeah, no, that doesn't say
41
that.
CFR 102-7.
Show me where it says that I have to answer your questions.
You have to be here on official business.
I am here on
can
official
ask you
business.
What that official business is when you come into a federal facility.
It's constitutionally protected business.
What's your federal business? What's your official business?
I would refer you, sir, to the DHS memo.
What's your official business?
Are you familiar with the 2000?
You're not going to answer the question.
I'm referring you to you are DHS, correct?
Are you going to answer the question?
So your
You wanna
DHS.
answer- I asked you a question first. You answered my question
I'm
with
going
the
to.
question.
I'm not answering with a question. So I'm
You
telling
did.
you.
You haven't answered my question yet.
I'm telling
What's
you,
your
as
official
DHS,
business? What's your
I'm telling
official
you to
business?
look at the DHS memo from
All right.
2018.
We have a special agent
which
on the
will
way up
explain
here.
it. Yeah, that's
All
fine.
right. She's
Maybe
gonna
he'll
make the
be.
judgment call whether you could be here or not. And if not, I'm gonna throw you out.
You're not
I'm
gonna.
letting you
You're
know
not
that
gonna
now.
touch me. That's
I'm
for
letting you know
sure.
that now.
I'm telling you now, you're not gonna throw
I'm
me
letting
out.
you know that now. So have
And
your
I'm
fun
telling
now.
you now.
Have your
I'm
fun
telling you
now.
now, you're not gonna touch me.
Have your fun
I'm
now.
telling you now.
When she comes, she's gonna make the
Yep.
final
And
decision.
you're not gonna touch me. That's for sure.
There's nothing you can
There's
do
no
about
need
it.
for that.
There's nothing you can do about it.
You're not gonna touch me. I know that.
What are you gonna do if I do?
Don't worry about it. Do it.
I have a legal right to
Do it. No, you don't.
You have to abide by the rules.
Nope. You have to abide by
It
the
is
rules.
right
There's a
here.
DHS memo from 2018. Why aren't you abiding by your own rules? Your own policies and procedures.
The DHS memo does
from
not supersede the law.
2018. Read it. Read it. Read it.
41 CFR 102-74.
Yeah. What does it say?
Says that you can come into.
Let me see.
Read it. Read it.
Sure.
I brought it in here especially for you so you could see.
Oh, okay. Gotcha. So this is a memo on First Amendment auditors. Is that who I am?
Is that what you are claiming to be?
Never once.
Okay.
Never once claimed to be that.
You're showing characteristic traits that's what you are.
Oh, you're showing characteristic traits that you're a trying by saying you're going to throw me
If I
out.
was a tyrant, I would have threw you out.
No, you're not going to now, nor later.
He's a special agent right here.
Hi, how are you, ma'am? Yeah, how are you? I'm sorry?
I just want to show you my credentials.
Oh, sure, yeah.
I'm a special agent with FPS. What's going on?
Hi, I'm just in the publicly, there's a DHS memo from 2018. I'm just in the publicly accessible areas. My name is Sean. I'm not doing anything illegal. I'm not, the ADA here says that I can't take pictures of employees, but I have a right to film government employees in the course of their duty, and the DHS memo, there's no need for you to put those on. There's no need. So, you see, you're also here threatening to throw me out and get physical with me. I have not once escalated the situation. Yeah, you said you were going to throw me out.
I'm good. I'm gonna walk away.
Okay.
I'm gonna be right here.
I have not once escalated the situation. I've
What can I help
identified.
you with
No,
today?
I don't need any help. I'm just taking some pictures of building of the government in the publicly accessible areas of this building here.
Okay.
That's all.
That's fine.
I'm working on a story. I'm a journalist. That's it. And I haven't bothered anyone. I'm not doing anything wrong.
Okay.
I've been very reasonable. I've identified myself. I don't know what else I can do to.
No, you're fine. And just so I'm clear, do you have any business with the VA today?
I have no business directly with them,
Okay.
other than
So you
asking
just wanna take
questions.
some
I'm just taking some pictures in the publicly accessible areas, ma'am. That's it. That's all.
You're good.
All right. Thank you.
What did you say your name was?
My name is Sean.
Sean?
Yeah,
Okay.
my name's Sean. I'm an independent journalist.
Did you
You'll
go
see.
through security screening?
I did. Yes, I did.
You have any
Of course.
knives or weapons?
No, I went through the security screening.
Just checking.
Yeah, no,
Okay.
nothing. I obviously have nothing on me. I'm just taking some pictures, video in the publicly accessible areas of this building, and that's all I'm going to do. And you said your name was I didn't.
Special Agent Kingsley.
Kingsley. Thank you, Special Agent Kingsley. I appreciate it. Okay. Have a good day.